Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a free open source web application firewall. First, let's understand what is a web application firewall, WAF. A WAF is a security solution designed to safeguard web applications. It actively monitors and analyzes HTTP traffic to identify and block harmful activities and cyber attacks. These include unauthorized access, API abuse, cross-site request forgeries, threat masked by CDNs, cookie manipulation, sophisticated HTTP DDoS attacks, brute force attempts, script injections, and more. This being said, let me introduce you to a free and open source web application firewall WAF SafeLine. It is used to protect websites from cyber attacks, self-hosted, and very easy to use.
If we get hacked, what do you think they'll find?
It actually helps to protect web apps by filtering and monitoring HTTP traffic between a web application and the internet. It typically protects web apps from attacks such as SQL injection, code injection, OS command injection, LDAP injection, RCE, XXE, SSRF, and more. By actually deploying a WAF in front of web application, a shield is placed between the web application and the internet. While a proxy server protects a client's machine identity by using an intermediary, a WAF is a type of reverse proxy protecting a server from exposure by having clients pass through the WAF before reaching the server. When you actually configure your website to SafeLine WAF, you will have a UI something similar to this, where on a basic view, all the requests which have come on a specific day, then which all have been blocked, and today's attacked IP, the error codes, and so on. You can also view the request per the country, like from which country the request have come, and the 30 days request, 30 days blocked, which can be viewed, and so on. And if you move on to the advanced tab, you can see a few advanced configurations based on the specific response statuses, the user clients whichever they have queried, and the whichever page they have referenced, the popular sites which have called, and more information. Also, you can note the logs, like if there's a particular IP, whether they have attacked our application based on the geographical location. Also, we'll be able to note things. And we have major services on rate limiting, like if a request has been called for multiple reasons due to 500 or 400 based error codes and been blocked or not. There's also many other features like anti-bot, auth, waiting room, and so on. And we have some additional features like web services and configure the SSL certifications, and even the global settings where we can enable HTTP, or we want only HTTP2 request to come, and also modify the host header and many other protocols configurations as well. Also, based on all these factors, is SafeLine actually production ready? Yes, SafeLine is production ready. With over more than 180,000 installations worldwide, protecting over more than 10 million websites, handling over more than several HTTP requests daily, it has been production ready and been used by many companies globally. Now let's compare the various web application firewalls based on some key features. Cloudflare actually offers a cloud-based web application firewall solution that provides the web UI for easy management, but it's not self-hosted, meaning it operates as a reverse proxy. Cloudflare excels at anti-bot protection and rate limiting, offering excellent protection from bot traffic and controlling the rate of requests to prevent DDoS attacks. However, it does not include anti-exploit protection, so it may not fully prevent all web application vulnerabilities. As a reverse proxy, Cloudflare routes traffic through its network, adding an extra layer of security. Mod Security is an open source WAF that operates as an SDK for integration into web applications. It is self-hosted and offers anti-exploit protection but lacks a web UI, which can make it more challenging to manage for non-technical users. Mod Security does not offer built-in anti-bot or rate-limiting features, which limits its effectiveness in stopping bots and controlling excessive traffic. NACSSI is a self-hosted web application firewall that integrates as an Nginx module. It provides anti-exploit protection but lacks a web UI, making it less user-friendly for those looking for a simple management interface. Max SI also does not have anti-bot or rate limiting features, which means additional tools may be necessary for full bot protection and traffic control. OpenAppSec provides a web UI and anti-exploit capabilities, but it's not self-hosted. Instead, it operates as an SDK requiring integration into your application. OpenAppSec offers anti-bot protection and rate limiting, making it a well-rounded solution for web application security. However, being SDK means it may not be as easy to deploy as some other web application firewalls that are either self-hosted or provided as a service. SafeLine WAF is a self-hosted WAF that provides both a web UI for management and anti-exploit capabilities, making it a strong choice for organizations seeking robust security for their web applications. Like Cloudflare, SafeLine also supports anti-bot and rate limiting features to mitigate unwanted traffic and attacks. Being self-hosted, it gives organizations full control over their firewall configuration and security policies. Based on all these factors, it seems SafeLine Web Application Firewall is one of the best free web application firewall currently present, with all the options such as self-hosted, web UI, anti-exploit, deployment, anti-bot, and rate limiting. SafeLine actually provides many options to make your web app secure in the free version, but in a paid version, it provides some more options such as business geo-blocking, statistics charts, attack log export, a custom inception page, and syslogs forwarding, and multi-user management, and so on. So if you want to buy a SafeLine Pro to unlock the power of it, use this exclusive promotion code. Use it now and get 2 additional months free when you buy a 1-year license for just $600. Remember, this code is valid for 5 uses only, meaning that the code can be used for 5 times, that is a 5-year license. So don't wait. Check out the description for more details on it. So that's it for the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as it would really mean a lot. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.